Hey Liana, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys are down below, in today's YouTube video I'm going to be using rice water on my hair as a pre-shampoo method. I'm just going to be trying it out, telling you guys how my hair felt afterwards and stuff like that, giving basically a review on rice water. So if you are interested in rice water, if you want to try it, make sure you watch till the end of this video. Also like, comment and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, so before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know that I washed the rice before and I let it sit overnight, and I used about 2 handfuls of rice, which was too much in my opinion. You don't really need a lot, but yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that because I lost the clip of me showing you guys me washing the rice and stuff like that. Alright guys, so it's currently 9:56, so it's basically like about 12 hours since my rice water has been sitting, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to put it in my hair using this spray bottle. I don't have an actual spray bottle because it broke and I'm yet to buy one. This thing is so tight. Alright, so I got it open. This is it. It don't smell that bad. It really doesn't smell that bad. So I still got more water in there, but I'm just going to spray and then add and then spray again. I want to check my length. I want to do this like every month, once a month at least. So yeah, I'm going to check my length now. So my hair is right here basically.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction.
Alright guys, so I put all the rice water in my hair. Now I'm just going to let it sit for like 30 minutes or so, and then I'll be back. Yeah, I'm also going to put a plastic bag over my hair, but if you have a steam cap you can use that too, but plastic bag for me. And my hair looks so healthy. Like, look at it. I just need it to grow, like not really grow but retain its length, because my hair is shedding, like shedding. But yeah, this rice water process is very messy, as you can see, so I recommend using a towel over that part. But I'll be back when 30 minutes is up. Hey guys, so it's been 30 minutes. My timer just went off and I put a bonnet over the plastic bag. So I put yeah, I had the bonnet on and I just took it off. This is my hair. I mean, I guess it feels I'm gonna wash it out. Wash my hair and stuff, and come back and I'll just tell you guys like how it feels when I wash it out and stuff like that, and give a little review. So yes, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is my hair freshly washed. I don't put any product in there or anything. Oh my god. Yes, so I never put any product in there, anything like that, and this is it. Look at my curl right there. Yeah, getting to it. So I'm just going to talk to you guys. A bit about the rice water. My hair, when I washed it out, it wasn't like, what's the word? Like, it was soft, but my hair is already soft from like before I put the water in there, but it was soft. My hair felt a little dry, like just a little, but I'm just going to go in with this. It's a Garnier Fruity, so you can use it as a leave-in and it can be a hair mask, but I'm just going to use it as a leave-in. It's a damage repairing treatment, so I'm just going to go in with that because my hair does feel a little dry. It could also be because I used a new shampoo today. I used a Dove shampoo. I usually use Tresemme, but yeah, I used Tresemme conditioner and my hair got really hydrated after that and like really soft. But other than that, like when I washed the rice water out, it felt a little dry, but my hair kind of felt more like it felt like it had more body, more volume. My hair really feels nice right now though. Like, look at this, my hair freshly washed. Look at that, I only have like a few tangles and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be doing a video like this every month, you know, updating you guys. I think the rice water is going to work for my hair, so I'm just going to try at least for the rest of the year because we only have 4 months 4 months left in the year, so at least for the rest of the year. I'll probably continue into next year with the video, but I'm going to be, you know, updating you guys, showing you my growth. That's why I did the length check. So yes, I will be doing that. At the end of this video, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys try the rice water method. I really recommend it. I mean, it doesn't work for everyone, but if it does work for you, you should continue. But you wouldn't know, you're not gonna know if it works for you if you don't try it, right? So I recommend everyone try this method. Let me know if it worked for you. You can text me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.